So here we have the projection weather station clock. Let's go and open it up. It's going to come with your user manual, the clock itself, your remote temp sensor, and your AC wall outlet. When setting up the weather station clock, the first step is to remove the battery pull tab and plug in the clock with the included wall adapter via the DC socket on the side. Now we're going to open the battery compartment of the wireless sensor and install the two AA batteries. Please make sure that the black channel button on the left is set to channel 1. The wireless range between the sensor and the clock is around 200 feet or 60 meters. The frequency of the signal is 433.92 megahertz. Factors that will interfere with transmission would be concrete walls, cellars, screens of electronic devices, metal doors, and other sources of signals like receiving phone calls. The unit is IPX4 rated, which is splash resistant, and we would recommend to avoid direct sunlight and rain. Next, we're going to pair the weather station to the wireless sensor. To do that, you're going to have to short press the channel button on the top of your alarm, and the wireless sensor will be paired on the clock. Within 3 to 5 minutes, the clock will display the temperature and humidity. If the channel on the clock does not correspond with the sensor, the channel number will keep switching back from channel 1 to channel 3. As you can see, we have it on channel 1 right here. We can go ahead and cycle through the other channels. There's nothing there. And then we'll stay on channel 1 since we're paired up to the wireless sensor. If all the buttons are disabled when you're using the clock, please check if there's a radio signal on the screen, which will display right here, right above the time. When the clock is searching for the radio signal, most of the features on the clock will be disabled. If you want to go ahead and get out of that mode, you're going to go ahead and long press the Celsius and Fahrenheit button right here for 2 seconds, and that will quit searching for a radio signal. Long press the set button for 2 seconds to enter the time setting mode. Short press the set button to move on to the next setting. We advise you to turn off the radio calibration in the process of time setting by pressing the channel up or channel down button to enable or disable the calibration. Next, the time zone will display underneath the time. If you turn on the radio calibration, please set the correct time zone and the clock will accordingly calibrate its time at 1, 2, and 3 a.m. Next, the DST symbol will display. Press channel up or channel down to turn on or off the DST. To set the desired time, short press the channel up or channel down button. To select different dim settings, short press the set button. To enter the alarm settings, long press the alarm button for 2 seconds and this will enter the settings mode. Short press the alarm button to move on to the next setting. And short press the channel up or channel down button to set the desired time for the maximum of 2 alarms. Now you can decide when the clock shall be activated during the week. M through F means that the alarm will be activated from Monday to Friday. S through S means that the alarm will be activated during the weekend. M through F and S through S means that the clock will awake the whole week. When the snooze feature is activated, the clock will ring after the snooze time. You can preset snooze from 5 minutes to an hour. If you want the clock to get out of the snooze mode, please long press snooze button for 2 seconds. When using the backup battery, the backlight of the screen and projection will not stay lit. Please plug in the clock with the included wall adapter to use the full features of the clock. Press the arrows button to flip the projection for 180 degrees. Long press the arrows button for 3 seconds to change between 2-level, low, and bright brightness. The clock takes turn displaying indoor and outdoor temperatures every 5 seconds. The multifunctional projection weather station clock is a great addition for any house.